so if you can't already tell, it's a little bit windy, so bear with me as I start to prep these potatoes. We're gonna take in just some small potatoes today. We're gonna cover them in some oil, add a little salt and pepper. We're gonna wrap them up, stab them with a fork a couple of times, and throw them on the grill at 300. So let's get working. Take our brush, we're gonna kind of just rub that in. Doesn't take much, little goes a long way. Just make sure to cover all sides. Then we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of kosher salt. We're gonna wrap this up. Nice and easy like. Roll, roll, roll. Cover up the top here. Set that off to the side. Actually, we're gonna use it as a paperweight. Alright, so the potatoes are finished, well, for the most part. We're gonna set this up for the second stage. Basically, we're gonna cut these in half, and look at that. Well, I'm gonna hope that these don't fall apart. The first one I tried to do did, but made the best out of it. Basically, we're gonna take this, we're gonna scoop it all out, and then we're gonna fill it back in with some other stuff. Throw it back on the smoker for another 10 to 20 minutes to let the cheese melt and everything, make it look all nice. Oh yeah, this is definitely better than the first time. Alright, so scoop out just a good portion of it. You don't want to get all of it, but you want to have most of it, if that makes sense. And I'm just scooping it off into a bowl on the side. I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so we've got them scooped out, got a bowl. We're gonna add some sour cream. Just a nice healthy dollop there. Maybe a little bit more for fun. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper, because it's a pretty rough cut. And a little bit of kosher salt. We are gonna add some butter. And some bacon bits. And then all you gotta do is kind of mash it up a little bit. Now you want it mashed enough, but you don't want it to be overly mashed. You still want the potatoes to be present. So bring our potato skins back for us, and we're just gonna lay it in there. May not be the prettiest thing, but we'll make it look a little bit nicer here in a second. cheese and everything like that. Get that last little bit there. All right. Now, sprinkle on some cheese. Add some more bacon bits. And we're gonna toss those back on the smoker while I finish up the second potato. Okay, so we've melted the cheese a little bit. Now it's time to do the finishing touches here. So we're just gonna chop up some green onion, or scallions if you prefer. Go a little bit more, I guess. We're gonna sprinkle on just a bit of paprika. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of that, a little bit of this. Well, that didn't work out as quite as I would like. So we're gonna have to just lay those on there. Maybe not. Okay, never mind. We're not even gonna deal with the green onion. But add the paprika and you're all finished. I hope you have a fantastic Super Bowl weekend,